Welcome to Hot Topics in International Trade, brought to you by Braumiller Law Group and Braumiller Consulting Group. Hi, I'm Bob Brewer with Braumiller Law Group, Braumiller Consulting Group. I hope by now you've had a chance to, tap into our podcasts that we've had produced recently. One was on the topic of prior disclosures with partner and founder Adrian Braumiller. Another recent one was with Brandon French, associate attorney here at Braumiller Law Group. We covered Section 301, talked a little bit about the landscape with China and the tariffs. I appreciate the comments that have been coming in, and I have a couple things, obviously, I need to do with house cleaning here. I knew what most of you were going to be thinking when I first appeared on the podcast, which was, she packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. But that's nearly not what I was cultivating. What I was actually cultivating was, strange, baby, don't you think I'm looking older? But something good has happened to me. And that's not actually what I had been doing for the last decade when it comes to covers. What I had actually been doing for the last decade was, hey, mama said the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. I'm taking a little break from that right now. And yes, we're producing originals too, but I was in a band called the Hindenburg Project. Again, that's on hiatus. But, the important thing is if you look at our digital magazine on our website, where each of our attorneys, trade advisors, they each have a personal page. And it shares just that. It's kind of a personal note, a reflection of them, as well as their area of expertise, of course. But to say the least, we have a lot of musicians on staff here. It's good for the soul. Could have a hell of a band. But on the blue cube that many of you have asked me about, all right, that's the Braumiller Law Cognitive Cube of combined knowledge. You talk about literally packing centuries into this little blue cube. It's back up. If we have a little, brain glitch during these podcasts, you reach out and you touch it and you tap into that library. Yeah, I know it's a personal thing. But anyway, check out the YouTube channel that we have, our website, Spotify. When you look at Mondac JD Super, you'll find our podcast as well as our newsletter articles. We just produced another newsletter published a week ago. We do that, just so you know, every other month if you want to tap into that as well. We have a lot of things up and coming, as far as the podcasts go. I think the next few will be one I know for sure is going to be with IMEX, how to actually put an IMEX together. This is going to be with our Mexico counsel, Brenda Cordova is going to be talking to me about that. Also, up and coming, this is going to be interesting for many of you. I can just tell based on the amount of article reads it gets, but digital assets, DAOs, getting into the metaverse and crypto and all that. This is with our guru in this realm of the universe, Jim Holbein, our DC counsel. He's going to be doing some sessions up and coming to get that landscape covered for us. Harold Jackson, one of our attorneys, really wants to talk to me deeply about China. I love talking about China. It's one of my favorite subjects. So we're definitely going to do that. And last but certainly not least, I want to give a shout out to our colleagues in the UK with IR Global. And we are definitely looking forward to the Barcelona conference next week. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks. Bye-bye. Relax. We've got you covered. Global trade compliance to us is just another day at the beach.